Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make Origami Blackburn plane. This is the model, this is a very nice model. And hope you will like the tutorial as well. So let's go to the tutorial. For this plane you can use any paper, rectangular sheets. But I'll be using A5 sheet, green. You can use any color. Okay. So to start the plane, first step is to fold into half. Open it, and now we will make a crease till this point, and that there should be a pointed line or no pointed fold over there. Or about that point. Same from the side. After you complete this step, now I want you to take this fold and do this until the middle of it, like this, and we will fold until the halfway of the plane. Almost till here. The next step is to fold the plane in half, like this, and then we'll make some rectangular fold till this point, almost. Like this. Turn over the plane, and also from here, that this line should align with that line at the back. And now crease. Open the flaps, and the next step is to, when you are done till this point, the next step is to fold its wings till this point, and also from this point. And this is how we make origami Blackburn plane. Guys, if you like the tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe it with your friends, and share my content. I will feel obliged. Thank you.